Hello viewers, I am Mahesh Kumar. Welcome you all to my channel Exploringtrips. Viewers, in our previous session we discussed about meaning of statistics. We discussed the plural and singular meaning of statistics. In today's session we are going to discuss about descriptive and inferential statistics. Viewers, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon next to subscribe button to get latest update of my coming videos. The study of statistics can be categorized into two main branches. These branches are descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. In order to understand descriptive and inferential statistics in a better way, let us go through an example. Suppose we are interested to know the favorite flavor of ice cream from all the people living in a particular city. तो हमारी पॉपुलेशन हो गई वह सभी लोग जो उस पर्टिकुलर सिटी में रहते हैं. तो ये हमारे लिए इम्पॉसिबल है, डिफ़िकल्ट है कि हम सभी लोगों से कांटेक्ट कर सकें क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन बड़ी ज़्यादा है और हमें हर पीपल से कांटेक्ट करने में ज़्यादा समय लगेगा. तो हम क्या कर लेते हैं, उसी पॉपुलेशन से हम सपोज एक सैंपल सेलेक्ट करते हैं 100 पीपल का. अब ये जो सैम्पलिंग है इट शुड बी डन इन ए सिस्टमेटिक वे, रैंडमली होगी. हर सब्जेक्ट्स जो कि पॉपुलेशन में है उसके इक्वल चांस हों कि वो सिलेक्ट हो सके उस सैंपल में. तो हमारा सैंपल आ गया 100 पीपल. अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे लिए कन्वीनियंट है, इजी है, हम इन 100 लोगों से कांटेक्ट करेंगे, इनकी राय जानेंगे अबाउट देयर फेवरेट फ्लेवर. हमने अपनी फाइंडिंग्स में पाया that 63% of the people from the sample like strawberry flavor. When we say that 63% of the people from the sample like strawberry flavor, it is descriptive statistics. If we extend our findings from sample that 63% of the people like strawberry flavor and say about the population on the basis of probability that 63% of the people from the population also like strawberry flavor, then it is inferential statistics. Now we can easily define descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics, it refers to the procedure employed in organizing, summarising and displaying or describing information or data or measures of sample. Descriptive statistics intend to describe data with summary, charts, and tables, but do not attempt to draw conclusions about the population from which the sample was taken. Descriptive statistics usually involve measures of center tendency, mean median mode, and measures of dispersion like variance, standard deviation, range, quartile deviation, etc. Inferential statistics. This type of statistics is also known as inductive statistics. It is used to draw inferences based on the sample results for population. In this, we collect information from sample and draw conclusion from the sample about the population. This is done by the process of inductive reasoning based on the theory of probability. Let us try to differentiate descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. In terms of meaning, descriptive statistics are concerned with the describing the target population. Descriptive statistics में हम हर सब्जेक्ट्स को स्टडी करते हैं, हर सब्जेक्ट्स की फाइंडिंग्स को इंक्लूड करते हैं अपने एनालिसिस में. Whereas in inferential statistics we make inferences about the population on the basis of sample analysis and observation. जहाँ हम सैंपल को स्टडी करते हैं, उसको एनालाइज करते हैं, ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, फाइंडिंग्स निकालते हैं, and on the basis of sample analysis and findings we make inferences about the population. We draw conclusion about the population. Function of descriptive statistics is to organize, analyze and present the data in a meaningful manner, whereas inferential statistics compares, tests and predict future outcomes. In descriptive statistics, final results are shown in the form of charts, tables, and graphs, whereas in inferential statistics, final result is the probability score. Descriptive statistics used various tools in the analysis like measures of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode, and measures of dispersions like variance, standard deviation, range, quarter deviation, mean deviation, etc. Whereas inferential statistics use tools in making inferences like hypothesis test, analysis of variance, t-test, chi-square test, etc. Viewers, that's all about descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching this video.